This thing is super dope. All right, let's go. We're going up. Let's keep it in the air. Let's just fly you. Let's keep it right here too. Yep. Keep it staying in this parking lot. Got a little bit of rain out here. Not much right now. Slowed down a lot. It's a small drizzle. Late, very late drizzle. Look at that. Hoping I'm getting all that. Let's come back from the right. Same thing from the right. So who's coming from my right? It's coming for a nice butter landing from the right, from the left. Wind got me a little bouncy, but we're good. Good takeoff. Come up and around. Drop it right at me. Let's go. Quick flyby.